Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Nissan 370Z Touring. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Nissan has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows.